Sleep. Sleeping 6 hours or less a night increases your risk of dementia by 30% later in life. During sleep, your brain cells shrink, creating space for cerebrospinal fluid to flush out toxic proteins like beta-amyloid and tau protein that destroys neurons and drive Alzheimer's disease. Chronic sleep deprivation impairs memory consolidation, weakens neural connection, sparks inflammation, and damages the blood-brain barrier, accelerating neurodegeneration. This is not opinion. This is documented science. The pharmaceutical industry complex cannot monetize sleep. So the truth is suppressed. Your brain's future is in your hands. Prioritize sleep. Protect your mind and share this truth before it's too late.